Let's also acknowledge the presence of our marketing director, Ma'am Gonzalez.
Grade 3A and Miss
Going there, the Karen L. Joaquin and Miss Shaka Choi.
Let us also welcome the pupils of grade 5A, headed by their advisor, Miss Nikki.
Under the leadership of Miss Wanda P. Gulati.
Our pupils from grade 7A and B, together with their advisors, Miss Marjorie M. Prieto and Miss
Grade 8A, under for boys, grade 5C, under the advisorship of Mr. 6 BNC, with her advisors, Mr. Norel D. Pasion. Now let us welcome the 9 students from grade. And entering the designation of our grade 9 students, accompanied by their advisors. And we, let's welcome them. First, with their advisors. Let's all welcome the students from grade 11, section Miss Alizon B. Camatoy. Let's all welcome Mr. Ariston Emiliano Peralta, Miss Mea Elmo.
language of dance. But before we dive into the rhythms of the world, let's take a moment to honor the visionaries.
So let's turn up the volume. That's someone. I can hear you. That's
And to reaffirm the ideals that guide our journey through our first vision and mission, we have Brent Harvey F. Wanya, SSC President.
FEP's vision. FEP's envisions of becoming a globally competitive center of academic excellence in the development by providing holistic quality education in the UAE. FEP's mission. As a haven of academic excellence in the UAE, FEP's commits in developing God-fearing, academically equipped, and socially upright individuals regardless of race, creed, culture, gender, and ethnicity.